Okay, when we've got equations with pronumerals on both sides, we mean equations with letters on both sides. So the example here is 3x plus 4 equals x take away 6. Now, when we're doing this one, the first thing that we've got to do is get rid of the letters so that we've only got letters on one side. So what we've got to do is minus the letter from the right-hand side onto the left-hand side. And we put them underneath each other because we can only collect like terms. So if we minus x off both sides, 3x take away x is equal to 2x. We still have a plus 4 there. We haven't done anything to that yet. That's gone. We've gotten rid of it. It equals negative 6. So you can see that pretty quickly, just by moving the x away, we end up with a two-step equation. And with our two-step equations, we remember we just do our inverse operations. Plus 4, so we minus 4 on both sides because we've got to do the opposite sign. So we end up with 2x, which is what's left when we get rid of the 4, equals negative 10. And then that means 2 times x. The opposite of times is divide, so we divide by 2, and we end up with x equals negative 5. We're going to do a second example with pronumerals on both sides involving brackets. Okay, whenever you see brackets in an equation, that's the first thing that you have to get rid of. And the way that you get rid of the brackets is to expand them. So we times 5 by a, that's 5a. And then we also do 5 times 4, which is 20. And then on this side, we have 2 times a and 2 times 4, which is 8. Now we've got an equation just like the one that we had in the last one, which was this one here, and we've got to get rid of the letters first. So the first thing that we've got to do is the opposite of positive 2a, which is here, so that's negative 2a, and we put it under its like term. So we get 5a take away 2a is 3a, take away 20 equals, they disappear, 8. And now we've got a two-step equation. So from there, 3a take away 20 equals 8. We're going to plus 20 to both sides. And we get 3a equals 28. Now there's nothing wrong with having this one here turning out to be a decimal. Sometimes that happens. The last thing that we have to do is divide both sides by 3. And we end up getting a equals 9 1/3 when we do it on the calculator, and that's fine. It doesn't matter that it's a fraction. Okay, so there's two examples for you to look at. One involving brackets and the other one involving just pronumerals on both sides.